2014 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, OnStar, DVD system, navigation system, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, power steering, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.